Hi friends, in this video, we'll try to find out what is the value of 43 cube plus 20 cube, everything over 43 cube plus 23 cube without using calculator. The very first thing what I can see is this 20 and 23. If I plus them, what am I getting is 43. So I'm going to replace my 43 with 23 plus 20. So that will give me 23 plus 20 whole cube plus 20 cube, everything over 23 plus 20 whole cube plus 23 cube. So what did I do is I replace my 43 in the numerator, in the denominator by 23 plus 20. Now, if we do have a cube plus b cube, how we can factorize is, we can factorize that as a plus b, another bracket, a square minus ab plus b square. So that is the principle we are going to utilize here as well. So if you look at the numerator, my a is the whole these things, 23 plus 20, that's my a. And this 20 is my b. So we can see that as a cube plus b cube. In the numerator, my a is 23 plus 20, that's my a. So a cube, my b is 20, which is 20 cube. So I will be utilizing my principle of a cube plus b cube here. So that is going to be a plus b, which is 23 plus 20, which is my a, and then plus b. So we'll make a bit of a bigger bracket. But this is my a, and then plus b. A plus b, that's here. This is my a, this is my b. Another bracket, a square minus ab plus b square. So a square will be 23 plus 20 whole square, which is my a square, because 23 plus 20 is my a, minus ab. So minus, my a is 23 plus 20, my b is 20, plus b square is 20 square. So 20 square, and that will be everything over. Now everything divided by. So in the denominator, we can see a cube plus b cube. So here, my a is 23 plus 20. My b is 23. So then we can see a cube plus b cube. So we'll do the same thing, a plus b into bracket, s square minus ab plus b square. So here at first a plus b, my a is 23 plus 20. So a plus b, 23 plus 20, which is my a, plus 23, which is my b. A plus b is done. Now a square minus ab plus b square. So a square is going to be 23 plus 20 square minus ab. 23 plus 20, which is my a, and 23 is my b, plus 23 square, which is my b square. Now, on the top, let us say if I add 20 plus 20, which is 40, 40 plus 23, so 50, 60, and 63. So 20, 20, 20, which is 60 and 3 more, so 63. The top will be 63. This part is going to be 63. If I work out in the denominator of this part, so we can see like 23, 20, and 23. So 20 plus 20 plus 20, which is 60. And then we have 3 more here, 3 more here. So 3 plus 3 is 6. So that is going to be 66. Now, here, 23 plus 20 whole square, I'm not going to touch it. So 23 plus 20 whole square as it is. Now here I'm going to expand. So this part, as we can see, I'm going to expand. So 23 times 20 and then 20 times 20. So 23 times 20, I'm going to write down minus 23 times 20 minus 20 times 20, which is 20 square. So we can see we are expanded this part 23 times 20 and then minus 20 times 20 because there is a minus in the front. Plus the last part is 20 square, which I'm going to write down now. Plus 20 square. And then in the denominator, a little bit of the same thing. So the first part, I'm not going to do anything. So 23 plus 20 whole square as it is. And the middle part, I'm going to expand. So we can see 23 times 23. But there's a negative in the front. So I can put a minus 23 square. And then 23 times 20. But there's a minus in the front. So minus 20 times 23. Plus, last we do have 23 square. So I'll write down here. 23 square. Now we'll see the wonderful things here, guys. So we can see that positive 20 square and minus 20 square, we can cancel out, isn't it? And in the denominator, the same. We can see positive 23 square here and minus 23 square here. So that I can cancel out. So 23 square and minus 23 square is also gone. Just in a minute, guys, you will realize the beautiful result. So 63 over 66. Now here, the first part as it is, 23 plus 20 whole square. And another part left over is this one, which is 23 times 20. 23 times 20. And that's it. In the denominator, I do have 23 plus 20 square. And then I do have 20 times 23. But 20 times 23, I can also write down as 23 times 20, isn't it? So I'm going to rewrite that as minus 20, 23. I'm swapping because 5, 6 are 30. 6, 5 are also 30. So I'm going to write that as 23 multiplied by 20. Oh, wow. Look at this, guys. Now, this top bit, the full bracket, guys, this full bracket part. And that full bracket part is exactly the same, which I can cancel out, isn't it? So now I can cancel out the full bracket, that and that is canceled out. So I'm left with is 63 over 66. In 63 and 66, there's a 3 common. So I can do like 3. So this is a 21 times 3 and 22 times 3. So my answer is 21 over 22. This is my final answer, guys. 21 over 22 of the question what we started right here, guys. Yeah. Thank you very much, guys.